but knowledge sharing sessions in which basically when you finished a project, you would basically take your lessons learned register that you've been working on throughout the entire project, and you would kind of recap at a very high level what was some of the biggest challenges that you were up against and how you resolved them and things of that nature. So I challenge you, family, is where if you're able to get with connect with other project managers, do it, because they will be able to give you, especially if they've been at the organization for a while, connect with them. Even new project managers coming in, because they have a different lens compared to project managers that have already been with the organization for years or a couple years. So let me give you my three closing remarks, family, and then we'll move on from there. First closing remark, again, understanding organizational culture. As they say, you don't want to be a bull in a china shop. Translation, I know that you got your PMP. I know that you got your CAPM. I know that you have your ACP. You have a master's in this or a bachelor's in this, or you got 30 years of experience. That means nothing. It does mean something, but it doesn't mean nothing as with regards to understanding the organization. How does the organization, do they have a PMO?